Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our chapter number 3, that is the fundamental operations of the numbers. There are some rules to add the numbers. We take the following steps to add the numbers. First step is we arrange the given numbers in columns, ones under ones, tens under tens, hundreds under hundreds, and so on. Second step is we add the digits in each column taking the carry over, if any, to the next column to the left and adding it along with the digits in that column. We continue this process till we add the digits in all columns. बट इसका मीनिंग है कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम नंबर्स को अरेंज करेंगे इन कॉलम्स. वंस के नीचे हम वंस वाला नंबर लिखेंगे, टेंस के नीचे टेंस प्लेस वाला नंबर लिखेंगे एंड सो ऑन. अकॉर्डिंग टू द सेकेंड स्टेप वी ऐड द डिजिट्स. हम हर कॉलम में डिजिट को ऐड करेंगे टेकिंग द कैरी ओवर, और जो कैरी आएगा हम उसको आगे फॉरवर्ड करेंगे टू द लेफ्ट प्लेस. जैसे वंस को हम ऐड कर रहे हैं, ऐड करने पे कुछ कैरी आ रहा है, हम उसको कहाँ फॉरवर्ड कर देंगे, टेंस प्लेस पे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एट 3,85,927 and it is 4,78,652. First of all, write down the first statement starting from the ones place, 729,583. Now arrange the second number at the down starting from the ones place, 2, 5, 6, 8, 7, 4. Now we will add 7 plus 2, 9, 2 plus 5, 7. 9 plus 6 is 15. We will write ones digit at this place and carry over the digit of ones tens place. This is 1. 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 8 is 14. Same process. 4 को हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे, 1 को आगे कैरी कर देंगे. 1 plus 8 is 9, 9 plus 7 is 16, 6 यहाँ पे एंड 1 आगे कैरी हो रहा है. 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8. Is it clear? Now, properties of addition. There are 4 mathematical properties and one of them is addition. The properties are commutative property, associative and additive identity property. According to the commutative property, when the order of the addends is changed, addends means जिन numbers को हम add करते हैं, the sum remains the same. For example, 4 plus 2 it is 6, 2 plus 4. Here we change the place. 4 plus 2 था पहले, फिर हमने 2 plus 4 कर दिया, addends की place को change कर दिया, but the answer remains the same. Next is the associative property. Even if the grouping of the addends is changed, the sum remains the same. For example, 4 plus bracket 6 plus 3. First of all, according to the BODMAS हम bracket को solve करेंगे. 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 4 it is 13. In the second step, we change the grouping of the addends. ब्रैकेट में पहले क्या आ रहा है, 4 plus 6 it is 10, 10 plus 3 it is 13. Same answer. Next is the additive identity property. The sum of 0 and the number is the number itself. अगर हम किसी नंबर में नंबर को और 0 को ऐड करेंगे तो आंसर नंबर itself आएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 5 plus 0 that is equals to 5. Now we will move to the exercise 3.1. Question A, that is add the following. Students, you have to solve this question yourself on the book. Question number B is find the sum of these given statements. Look at the lesson plans. First of all, these numbers are given to you. 4 numbers are given to you. Arrange these numbers in the columns and start adding them from the ones place. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12, 12 plus 9 is 21, 2 carry, 2 plus 6 is 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 8 17, 17 plus 1 18, 1 carry, 1 plus 7 is 8, 8 plus 0 8, 8 plus 7 15, 15 plus 0, 15. 1 carry. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 8, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. 13 plus 8, 21. 2 carry. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. 1 carry. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 6, 11. 1 carry. 1 plus 6, 7 and 8 as it is. This is the answer of the first statement. Now, third part. Here 3 numbers are given to you. By arranging them according to the columns and on adding we got the answer, that is a 2,01,642. Now come to the question number C. It is same. Add the following. Here statements are given to you. We will discuss one part. Second part is, it is given 72,918, 34,02,561 and next is 21,76,905. First of all, arrange these numbers and start adding them. 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 5 is 14, 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 6, 8, 8 plus 0, that is 8. 9 plus 5, 14, 14 plus 9, that is 23. 2 carry. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 6, 10. 1 carry. 1 plus 7, 8. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. This is the answer of the second part, and rest of the 2 parts you have to do as same. Now, D statement is, if a number is 25,60,189 more than 76,05,217, find the number. कहते अगर कोई नंबर इतना ज़्यादा है इससे, वो नंबर फाइंड आउट करो. कैसे करेंगे? अकॉर्डिंग टू द स्टेटमेंट, रिक्वायर्ड नंबर इज द सम ऑफ दीज 2 numbers. On adding, we got the answer, that is 1,01,65,406. Question number E is, find the sum of these 3 numbers. Also write its sum in words. First of all, find the sum of these 3 statements given to you. On adding, we got the answer 50,41,80,136. Now the second step given in the question is, write the sum of these 3 numbers in words. That is 50,41,80,136. Now last question of this exercise is, look at the following addition and write their properties in the blanks. 9 plus 5 equals to 5 plus 9. This is the property. Which property is this? It is commutative property, because 9 plus 5, in the second step we change the order of the addends. Is it clear? Next is 3 plus 0, that is equals to 3. It is additive identity property, because here we add the number to the 0. The answer is number itself. So it is additive identity property. Now, third part is 11 plus 2 is in the bracket plus 8. In the next step, we change the grouping of the numbers. So it is associative property. Fourth part, 0 plus 2 equals to 2. 0 plus 2, that is equals to 2. It is additive identity property. Additive identity property. Now students, you have to complete exercise 3.1 with the help of video and lesson plans. Thank you.